Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add custom CSS to your WordPress website easily. So very simple and basic way guys. If you need to add custom CSS, search this plugin, simple custom CSS plugin. Then install it. Then activate plugin. Now hover cursor to appearance after activation. Then here is the option custom CSS. Click on it. Now enter your custom CSS here. Simple custom CSS allow you to add your own styles or override the default CSS of a plugin or theme. The styles you save here will remain even if you switch theme. To use, enter your custom CSS, then click Update Custom CSS. It's that simple. So add your custom CSS, then click on Update Custom CSS here. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And guys, if you have any question or query, so please comment, and please comment this video useful for you or not.